Guys, please put your hands together to cheer up this day. Lovely, thank you. Okay. Now, I would request Mukesh, who does belong to our Resonance Chennai.
Hi all, my name is Mukesh. Hello, check. Check. I'll be performing a song named Drunk Text. It's a very less known song. It's about refusing to stay or let go. So, hope you guys enjoy the song. Fifth of November, when I walked you home, that's when I really said it, but then said forget it. Do you remember? You probably don't, 'cause the sparks in the sky took a hold of your eyes while we spoke. Yesterday, drank way too much and stayed up too late. Started to write what I wanna say. Deleted the message, but I still remember it said, I wish